Ben Doydum'a tekrardan hoş geldiniz. Evet, bugün yanımızda ustamız var. İsim neydi bu arada?
Umut.
Umut ustamız, evet. Bize bugün neler yapacak bu ara bilmiyorum da. Şimdi yanılmıyorsam siz köz ateşinde mi?
Közde, kömürde ateş.
Kömür mü bu?
Aynen.
Vay be, tuhaf ama egzantrik. Evet, bugün yine Şanlıurfa'dayız ama yöresel bir hamburgerle karşınızdayız. Bugün hamburgerimiz, bir dakika, ben ustamızdan şey dedim. Hamburger, pizza vesaire artık ne bulabilirsek ama kendi tarzlarına uygun bir şey mi var?
Tandır burger.
Tandır burger var.
Urfa ağzıyla trit etinden.
Trit etinden. Biz yine trit videosunu var, arada izlemeyenler varsa şuralardan bir yerlerden, kartlardan gidip izleyebilirler. Tekrardan o ete geri döndük arkadaşlar. Bu sefer farklı bir formundayız yalnız. Peki hazırlanışı, yani bir ekstrem şeyi var mı?
Onu da normal 5 saat ateşte pişiyor. Yumuşak suyun içinde. Yani normal bizim klasik trit eti var ya.
Haşlanıyor aslında.
Haşlanıyor, aynen.
Tamam. Peki Sam, senin en sevdiğin ürünün ne? Yani yediğin, her gün yesem de bıkmam dediğin ürünün ne burada?
Dağ burger.
Dağ
Çift et.
Right, ladies and gents, welcome to I Am Full again. I know you're get quite a little bit unfamiliar with the type of the food that I'm interviewing, that I'm showing to you, but today we have some universal foods. So on one hand we have pizza, but all of them is made up with the traditional types. So we have pizza, basically pizza, but we have some kind of meat on the top of them, so which is specifically belong to this place that you can see the white hair. And we have the hamburger, but we have different hamburger. Actually, let me show you the real hamburger that you got used to. The normal hamburger that I'm showing to you, basically you are familiar with this one, but on the left side we have different type of hamburger, which is made of. Have you remember the treat videos of us? So you can check it out and see how it is made up of. Yeah, basically not. I don't know specifically the type of the meat, but it is sliced into the pieces. And yeah, let me put this in this way. And we have onion and sticks, mozzarella sticks, and we have here pasta. Yeah, pasta. Actually, it's looking good. Let me taste it. Yeah. Before tasting this, so you go to watch the preparation of this, and then come back and join me. Yeah, you have watched, so please join me. Yeah, the first bite is always for you. I really like it, but yeah, it is super fantastic. I really like it. So I'm gonna finish all of them, but before doing that, So you go to watch the stage of this pizza, how it is made up, and come back again. Yeah, so again you have borscht, so let's taste this. Oh yes, I'm really hungry. It's really good. Yes. The meat inside of them is really soft, extremely soft. Yeah. As a last, the hamburger. Yeah, you come here. You are coming here. Yes, you coming here. And I've taken. So, why are you waiting right there? Please go and see how it is made of. Welcome again. So you come here and I'm gonna show you. Yeah. Let me taste this. I personally like this one. That could be my best. And secondly, the pasta will come, and then lastly, the pizza will be my favorite. So if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe, like, give a thumb, and share your comments with us. And please do not forget to share your friends. So take care of you. Bye bye.